Goodness gracious, it's amazing. One of a kind and so incredible.
Meet Botley.
Hi!
The code to fun. Botley is the fun, friendly way to learn coding. Let's get started. We'll have you coding in no time. Botley is ready to use right out of the box. He's screen-free. All you need is the remote transmitter to code. To begin, turn Botley on to code mode. Then lay out your coding path. Use the arrows to direct Botley. And once you've entered a path, press the green transmit button. Look at Botley go! You can code Botley to move up to 80 steps in a row, or press clear to begin a completely new path. Discover Botley's hidden features, which include another 40 steps and more fun, playful sounds. And with an included 77-piece activity set, there's so much more open-ended play and critical thinking to be had. With Botley, the more you explore coding, the more Botley can do. Learning resources. Learning is where we play.
Introduce your kids to the world of programming and coding with Ozobot. Your kids will use their imagination to play and create fun games and challenging activities that will enhance their logical reasoning. Ozobot is designed to recognize colors as well as different color sequences on both paper and your favorite digital surfaces that are iOS or Android compatible. For example, when I draw a red line, Ozobot will recognize that color and turn red. The same happens when it recognizes blue or green colors. Now, when I take those colors and place them in different sequences, it tells Ozobot to perform specific commands such as slow down, speed up, or spin. Here is an example of a U-turn code. In the app, it is as simple as dragging and dropping codes to the play area. Ozobot also has the ability to recognize both flash and static codes on digital surfaces. Find a full list of color codes online at ozobot.com. Ozobots have the ability to memorize up to 500 different flash codes at one time. This is best displayed through our newest app, Ozo Groove. Simply select your favorite song that is downloaded to your device, or choose one of our Ozo-friendly songs located in the app, then drag and drop different dance moves into your timeline. Once you have chosen your best dance moves, you can go to the dance floor where Ozobot will memorize your moves and perform your dance. The great thing about Ozobot is that it does not need to stay on the tablet to perform your dance. You can place it on almost any surface and watch it groove.
Teaching kids to code develops essential STEM skills and opens up a world of future possibilities. And learning to code is as easy as ready, set, cheese with Colby, our programmable robot mouse. Simply pick an activity card and recreate the featured maze. Once it's built, use the coding cards to plot a step-by-step path for Colby to find the cheese. Each card features a direction or step, such as forward or reverse, to program into Colby. Next, enter the sequence of steps using the color-coded buttons. Press the green Start button and watch Colby race to find the cheese. If he doesn't quite make it, simply add the needed steps, reposition Colby, and press the green button to start again. Colby automatically lights up and squeaks when he reaches the cheese. Program additional special effects using the flash symbol card and red button. Make a wrong turn? Push the yellow button to start over. Want more challenge? Don't use the coding cards or try building your own maze. Watch students problem solve as they construct their own variety of mazes. The possibilities are endless since Colby can be programmed up to 40 steps and features 2 speeds for either tabletop or floor. Race one at a time to see who can reach the cheese in the fewest steps possible, or add a second mouse sold separately for more learning fun. This deluxe set includes everything you need to provide the perfect hands-on introduction to coding and early STEM concepts. Enjoy a fun, easy, and affordable way to add an hour of code or more into your classroom with Colby, the Code & Go programmable robot mouse from Learning Resources, perfect for ages 5 and up.